Install DirectX. The first step is to install DirectX on your PC. I've provided a link in the description for the download. Copy the link, paste it into your browser, and the DirectX download will automatically start. If it doesn't, click the manual download link provided. Once the download is complete, open the file and run the setup. Accept the terms, click Next multiple times, and allow the installation to complete. Once installed, click Finish. Re-register the shinput1_3.dll file. After installing DirectX, the next step is to re-register the shinput1_3.dll file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar, then right-clicking and choosing Run as Administrator. In the black Command Prompt window, copy the command provided in the description, paste it, and press Enter. You may see a message indicating that the shinput1_3.dll file was loaded, but the entry point was not found, suggesting the file is missing or not installed on your system. Download and install shinput1_3.dll. Manually minimize Command Prompt and visit the website link provided in the description. Scroll down the page until you find version 9.15 for 64-bit architecture. Then click the download link. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder, right-click on it, and select Copy. Move the file to the System32 folder. Open File Explorer. Navigate to this PC local disk. See smiley face greater than Windows System 32 and double-click to open the System 32 folder. Paste the copied shinput1_3.dll file into this folder. When prompted, select Replace the file in the destination and click Continue to complete the action. After replacing the file, close all open windows and restart your computer. Once it reboots, check if the error has been fixed. If the issue persists, try reinstalling the app or game experiencing the problem. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.